In the north of the Red Island, where the ocean murmurs softly, Diego Suarez calls and Siranana endures forever. Pirates from the south dream on the sea. Libertalia is born, free and proud.
Occitano Catalan, fugitive pirates, rebellious and valiant hearts. My son the captain, born in Provençal land, dream of utopia without chains or rivals. They arrive at the bay, vast and salty, found in libertalia, proclaiming equality. No kings, no slaves, or brothers on the sea. In the malagasy port they plan green hope. Libertalia, oh pirate dream, and Siranana of love. Say freedom in the waves that dance, Provençals and Malagasy united in trance. Libertalia, libertalia, echo of the seas, and Siranana, eternal port. From the Yogosaurus to Mission the idealist, the city grows, pirate and realist, bay like a jewel, singing that watch over. We're sold in the port, secrets that sleep deep. Today the streets vibrate, colorful market, pirate heritage carried by the wind. Occitano, Catalan, Malagasy, LGBT. Libertalia lives in every beating heart. Libertalia, oh pirate dream, and Siranana, Siranana of love. Say freedom in the waves that dance, Provençals and Malagasy united in trance. Libertalia, libertalia, echo of the seas, and Siranana, eternal port. Of Provence to the Red Islands, broken dream but the spirit still sails. Forgotten pirates but the city remains. And Siranana, where utopia dry. Libertalia, oh pirate dream, and Siranana, Siranana of love.